Hey guys, welcome back. For those of you who are new here, I'm Gina, and this is going to be a shuffle dance routine class where we will be doing traditional shuffle moves mixed in with some glides and spins. So I'm going to turn around for you to follow me from behind. We're going to start with 2 V-step, 1 to the right and 1 to the left. From here, we're going to cross the front and W step. Okay, so let's do that together. We're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. From here, we're gonna do 2 traveling V-step out to the right, where we go 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, so notice with this, I've gone up and down and up and down. So just get a groove for that. We're gonna go up and down, up and down. Okay, let's put all of that together from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. From here, we're gonna come up for and 2 T-step out to the right. 1, 2, running man. 3, forward, 4, come up and step 5, drag out 6, step together 7 and open 8. And from here, we can just repeat the entire choreography again. So let's take it from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Nice one, guys. We're gonna take that to music in just a minute. If you feel like you still need a bit more practice with that, remember to go back in the video and just keep practicing until you feel like you've got it. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this video and learning all these fun new moves, then don't forget to give my channel a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because your subscriptions help my channel to grow. And if my channel grows, then I can share more videos like this for free. Let's move on to the music section of this class. We are going to repeat this routine twice to 80% speed. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Let's go. Gotta beat the bag while I got the wrist. No phone, don't call, yeah, I'm off the grid, lay low.
Nice one. That was 80% speed. We're now gonna turn it up just a little bit and go at 90. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Let's go. Gotta beat the bag while I got the wrist. No phone, don't call, yeah, I'm off the grid, lay low.
Well done. It is now time to try it at full speed. So again, if you're not 100% comfortable with 90 and you're still in the 80 zone, that's absolutely fine. Keep practicing in that zone until 90 feels good. However, if you're at 90 and you're ready to progress to 100, then here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Let's go. Gotta beat the bag while I got the wrist. No phone, don't call, yeah, I'm off the grid, lay low. Can't feel much, now I hit the switch, let's go. Gotta beat the bag while I got the wrist. No phone, don't call, yeah, I'm off the grid, lay low.
Well done, guys, and that's a wrap. So I hope you enjoyed that session. If you are still learning how to do all these moves and they still seem pretty alien to you, check out these videos popping up on my end screen. They are all beginner-friendly tutorials that will help you learn all these awesome moves so that you can start putting them together in combinations and choreographies just like this. So until next time, thank you again for joining. See you later. Bye.